Geography. Good morning, children. Today I am going to discuss the lesson Exploring Continents, North America and South America. North and South America are often referred to as the New World because they were discovered in the late 15th century. Okay? What do you mean by continent? Yes, continent is a large landmass on the earth's surface. Is called continent. Students, do you know how many continents are there in the world? Yes, there are 7 continents. North America, South America, Europe, Asia, Antarctica, Australia and Africa. Okay? North America learning objectives. To understand the location, boundary and political divisions of North America, to understand the physical features and range, to understand the climate, natural vegetation and wildlife of continents. North America, North and South America are often referred to as the New World because they were discovered in the late 15th century. In 1492, North America was discovered by Christopher Columbus while he was trying to find a new sea route to India. North America was discovered by Christopher Columbus. The landmass was named America in 1507 after the Italian navigator Amerigo Vespucci, who landed on the continent. The landmass was named America in the year 1507. Okay. Next, let us see location and area. The continent of North America lies between 7 degree north and 84 degree north latitude, which lie entirely in the northern hemisphere. The Tropic of Cancer passes through the Mexico and Arctic Circle. What do you mean by latitude and longitude? Latitude and longitude are a system of imaginary lines used to describe the location of any place on earth. Lines of latitude run in east-west direction. Lines of longitude run in north-south direction. Okay? This is the latitude, east-west. Longitude, north-south. Okay? This continent has a great longitudinal extent which results in 7 time zones. It covers 16.50% of the entire land area. Next, let us see boundaries. North America is surrounded by the Pacific Ocean in the west, the Atlantic Ocean in the east, Arctic Ocean in the north and South America in the south. Okay? Isthmus of Panama. Isthmus means a narrow stretch of land joining two large landmass. Narrow stretch of land. Isthmus means narrow stretch of land joining two large landmass. The North America is joined with the South America by the Isthmus of Panama. Okay? Bering Strait. Strait, a narrow stretch of water. Strait means a narrow stretch of water joining two large water bodies. A Bering Strait separates North America from Asia. Here, this is the Panama joining the North America and South America. Bering Strait, here the Bering Strait separates North America and Asia. Okay? Next, let us see political division. North America is the 3rd largest continent next to Asia and Africa. 24 countries are there in North America. North America has 3 large countries and several small ones. Canada is the largest country of the North America, followed by the United States of America and Mexico. The 7 small countries which lies to the south of Mexico are referred to as Central America. These include Nicaragua, Honduras, Guatemala, Panama, Costa Rica, El Salvador and Belize. Okay? Next let us see physiography. North America can be classified into the following physical divisions. First one, the Rocky Mountains. Second one, the Great Plains. Third one, the Appalachian Highlands. Fourth one, the Coastal Plain. Okay, let us see one by one. First, the Rocky Mountains. The western part of the continent is occupied by long ranges of young folded mountains. North America is a continent of great physical diversity. Mount McKinley is about 6,194 meters above the sea level and is the highest peak. Mount McKinley is the highest peak. Death Valley is about 86 meters below the sea level and is the lowest part of the continent of North America. The mountain range extends for about 4,800 kilometers from Alaska in the north to the Panama Strait in the south. They are parallel ranges and are known as the Rockies in the east and the Coast Range Mountains in the west. The Rockies and the Coast Range are together called the Western Cordilleras. There are high plateaus are there. Mexican Plateau, Colorado Plateau and the Colombian Plateau. These are the important plateau. Next let us see the Great Plains. The east of the Rockies and the west of the Appalachian Highland Mountains lies the Great Plain of North America. It covers about 3/5 of the continent. Great Plain. What do you mean by plain? Plain is a landmass that is flat land. Plain is suitable for agriculture. Okay? It covers 3/5 of the continent. The western part of the plains is called the High Plains. Most of the rivers of this region have their source in the western highlands and the plains generally slope eastwards and southwards. They were drained by the rivers like the Mississippi and the Missouri. Mississippi and Missouri are the important rivers in North America. Okay? Next let us see the Appalachian Highland. The Appalachian Highland do not form a continuous chain like the Western Highlands. These highlands are low and wide. They have a very few peaks, more than 1,800 meters. They include the high plateaus of Greenland, Labrador, Laurentian Plateau in Canada, and the Appalachian Mountain in the United States. This region is rich in mineral reserves like coal, iron ore, copper, which play a vital role in the North American economy. Okay? Next let us see the coastal plains. The coastal plains of North America are the youngest in age. This is low and relatively plain area with sandy soil which is infertile in nature. The coastal plains are infertile in nature. Here swamps and marshes. Swamps and marshes means wet land with grassy vegetation are abundant and the coast is intended by river mouths and bays on which many important seaports are located. Okay? Okay children, go through the textbook. Thank you. Have a nice day.